You've probably seen videos on YouTube where different topics are explained in a simple way. These are called explainer-style videos. Many creators using this style are pulling in millions of views. For example, this video has over 14 million views, and assuming a $4 RPM, it has probably made around $50,000. Now, you might think this style is outdated or no longer works, but look at this. A channel with just 16 videos has already gained 14,000 subscribers, and every single upload pulls in hundreds of thousands of views. And the best part, making these videos is much easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create them, even if you're a beginner. But first, let me show you a few more example channels so you can see how easy it is to grow using this style. This channel explains complex tech topics and gained 124,000 subscribers with just 19 videos. This channel talks about guns and weapons. This one focuses on esports. Another focuses only on animals. This one talks about businesses. And this one covers the Marvel universe. Here's the shocking part. If you pause and look closely, the views on their videos are insane, especially considering how few videos some of these channels have uploaded. So by now, you can see the massive potential of explainer-style videos. But the real question is, how do you actually find the right niche to start your own channel? To make that easier, I created a simple ebook with 30 explainer niches. It includes real channel examples and their earning potential, so you can clearly see what's working right now and pick a niche that fits you. And yeah, it's completely free. I'll show you how to get it later in the video. Now, let's see what you'll learn in this video. I'll show you how to come up with video ideas, generate scripts, collect visuals, create voiceovers, design thumbnails, and finally, edit the video. And the best part? You don't need to spend any money to do this. Let's get started. I have added all the prompts you need in this document, which you can find in the video description. Now, all you need to do is copy the idea generation prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you press enter, ChatGPT will generate a lot of video ideas across different niches. You can choose any niche from the list and start making videos for your channel. If you don't like the ideas, you can simply ask ChatGPT for more niches, and it will generate new sets of ideas for you. For example, if you like the idea every type of camera explained, you can start a photography channel and make videos like every camera lens explained or every image format explained. Or, if you like the idea every type of hat explained, you can go into the fashion niche and create videos like every type of sneaker explained or every type of jacket explained. I'm just showing you that there are many ideas you can make in this explained style format. For this video, I personally found the food and drinks niche very interesting. My video idea is every country's tea explained. I think it has strong viral potential as I found a video on YouTube related to tea by country, and it had a good number of views, which confirmed that people are already interested in this topic. Now let's turn your idea into a video script. Open the document, copy the script generation prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. In the idea field, type or paste your video idea and press enter. You'll get a full explainer-style script. If you want a longer video, just ask it to expand the script, or you can use it as it is. Now we need to collect visuals for our script. For this video, I'm using a small part of the script to show you the process. Read each line and search for visuals that match it. For example, if the first line mentions Chinese tea, search for an image or video of Chinese tea and download it. You can also search YouTube for related clips or use free stock sites like Pexels to find images and videos that match your content. Download all the assets according to what each line of the script requires. For voice generation, you can use tools like 11 Labs or Google AI Studio. Choose any middle-aged male voice with a storytelling style. I'm not suggesting a specific voice, so your channel doesn't sound the same as everyone else's. Picking or creating your own voice helps your channel feel more unique. Before editing, we need to generate our video thumbnail. In these kinds of videos, the thumbnail is also used in the intro. You don't need any special software for this. Open the document, copy the thumbnail prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Now, you'll need to give it two things. First, the number of items or things explained in your video script. For example, I'll type 10. Second, the names of the items or things mentioned in your script. For my video about country's tea, I write tea followed by all the country names in the correct order from the script. Once both fields are filled, press enter. Your thumbnail will be generated. Sometimes ChatGPT may include unwanted items like kettles or plates. That's normal. Just tell it to remove anything unnecessary, press enter again, and your thumbnail will be ready. Save it, as you'll need it for editing. Here's another example to make it easier. Let's say you're generating a thumbnail for every type of seafood explained. Write all the seafood names from your script and put seafood before them. In the first field, type the number of items you listed, for example, 8, and press enter. Boom, your thumbnail is ready. If you want a vector-style thumbnail like some popular explainer channels use, simply type a small prompt like this. When you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate a clean vector-style version. Finally, download it and fit it into a 16:9 frame using any editing app. That's it. Now let's start editing the video. I'm using Premiere Pro, but you can also use CapCut or any other software. The process is basically the same in any program. First, create a new sequence for your YouTube video. I named mine Tea Explained. Create a separate folder for each country to keep all your assets organized. Then add all the China assets into the China folder so everything is easy to find when you start editing. Now, import your voiceover and place it on the timeline. Create a white background layer and extend it to cover the entire voiceover. Next, import the thumbnail we generated earlier using ChatGPT and fit it perfectly into the frame. To add a zoom-in animation for China, go to the Effects panel and search for the transform effect. Then add it to the thumbnail image. Move 2 frames forward using the right arrow key. Then click the position and scale stopwatch icons to add starting keyframes. Move 20 frames forward using Shift plus right arrow. Then adjust the position and scale so the China tea part comes to the center. Let's watch it.
China.
Now add your first image to the timeline. Scale it and position it to match the voiceover. If you're adding a video clip, remove its audio layer and place it properly on the frame. Go to the Effects panel, search for the crop effect, add it to the video layer, and adjust the crop to remove any parts you don't need. If the video feels too slow, right-click the layer, select Speed and Duration, and increase the percentage as needed, then click OK. Next, let's add some text. Select the text tool, click anywhere on the video to create a text layer, and type your text. Then go to Essential Graphics to change the text color from white to black and set the font to Comic Sans. You can use any font you like, but this one is commonly used in this type of video. If you don't have it, you can easily download it from Google. Finally, position the text properly below the image. This is essentially all you need to do when editing this type of video. Place images, video clips, PNGs, and text on the white background one by one according to the voiceover. For animating the thumbnail image when switching to a different country, copy the first thumbnail layer, or hold the Alt key and drag it to the next country. Select the layer, go to Effects Control, delete the previous keyframes, and move the remaining keyframes to the start. Move 10 frames forward with Shift plus right arrow, then adjust the X position so the next country moves to the center. Let's watch it.
India.
Repeat this process for all other countries. Finally, import any background music and add it to the timeline. Open the Essential Sound panel. If you don't see it, go to Windows and enable it. In the panel, go to Presets and choose the Balanced Background Music preset. Lower the volume to around -15 to -20. In this type of explainer video, background music doesn't matter much, but keeping it low makes the video more engaging without distracting from the content. I've completed editing the video, which didn't take much time. Now let's watch it in full screen.
China. Chinese tea is the foundation of global tea culture and the birthplace of nearly every major tea type. Green, black, white, oolong, and pu'er all trace back here, shaped by region, climate, and processing style. Tea in China is less about routine and more about craftsmanship, often prepared slowly and shared as a social and cultural act. India. Indian tea is bold, strong, and deeply woven into daily life. Large-scale cultivation during the British era led to famous regions like Assam and Darjeeling, each with a distinct character. Tea here is often boiled with milk, sugar, and spices, turning it into a comforting, energizing staple. Turkey. Turkish tea is strong, dark, and served in small tulip-shaped glasses. It is brewed using a double teapot system that allows drinkers to adjust strength. Tea in Turkey replaces coffee in many daily moments and is offered almost everywhere from homes to shops.
So, that's it for today. If you want the 30 Explainer Niches ebook, you can download it from my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. I created this Telegram channel to share updates, extra resources, and more ideas to help you grow on YouTube, so you can join if you're interested. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments.